area. And earlier, as I had posted on Facebook, that I'll be posting some easy methods for children to learn, the playway method. First of all, I would like to apologize to all my friends for posting the video so late, as owing to some personal reasons I couldn't make a video earlier. And as for children, I would like to share one thing, that children hear and they forget. They see and they remember. But when they do it, they understand it. So let's do something today. And my topic for today is the alphabet A and the phonetical sound of the alphabet A, that is apple. Now, we will begin with a story, so that because children have a very short attention period, so if you make them sit and you tell them to learn a particular alphabet, or you make them understand that this is A instead of the playway method, you won't be able to hold on to their attention for a longer period of time. So let us see the first step, how you can introduce the letter A to your child. This is a soft toy. And I have kept the name of this baby little soft toy Anne. Anne. We all know this is an apple. Apple. And this is an aeroplane. Now we are going to make a story with these things, so that the phonetical sound A keeps on repeating. And the child, when he or she hears the story, is associated to the sound A. Let's begin. This is Anne. Anne. Say hi to Anne. You can use a child's name. Suppose the child name is Divyam. You can say Divyam. Say hi to Anne. Hi, Anne. Anne likes an apple. Apple. Anne likes an apple. Apple is very sweet. Anne likes to eat an apple. Anne likes to play with an aeroplane. Anne has a beautiful aeroplane. See, Anne is playing with an aeroplane. Here, if a child's name starts with A, like Aditya or something like that, you can also use your child's name, because children are egocentric and thus they are more associated to themselves. If you use something very close to it, you can better teach your child. Stop. Now we have associated Anne with apple, aeroplane. You can extend the story by adding more characters to it. Maybe you have another software, you can bring in Andy. Andy and Anne are friends. They eat apple together and they play with an aeroplane together. You can always introduce more to the story depending on the attention span of your child. Now, after this, your child won't be interested to listen more of story, because the attention span of the child is little short. So you can always move on to the next activity. Now Anne has a tree. This is a simple tree that I have cut out from those thick sheets you get with plastic covering. So see, Anne has a tree. But what did Anne like? What was Anne's favorite fruit? Was it apple? Yes, that was an apple. Apple. So, now ask your child to stick some of the cutouts of apples. These are the cutout of apples. And I have used D-tape to it to stick it onto this tree. So this will be an hands-on activity for the child, so that the child does it and understands it. Okay. So, now we are going to stick these apple with Anne. Ask your child to just remove the sticker of the D-tape and ask your child to place it anywhere on the tree. So your child will place it on the tree. Okay. 1. Then I have more cutouts of the apple. You can always take it off, because as I had said that these have those plastic coverings, so you can always take it off and stick it to another place. So you can repeat this activity with your child so as to make the child repeatedly. If you do it with a child, the child will definitely be able to recall it and remember it. So we are again sticking it here. Okay, so this is the way you do a hands-on activity with your child. This is the concrete method. That means your child is doing something and learning. Please do not directly introduce the abstract method to your child, that is teaching a child apple. The child will not be able to understand what you are talking. So please do not go by just the rote method. Do some concrete things with the child, and we are using just simple things that are available easily at home. Your child definitely has a toy. If he doesn't have a toy, you might get a real fruit, or you might get something else related to the alphabet A, and just use those things. Your child toys can play the characters, and this is just a cutout from a magazine which had a plastic layer on it, and I just made these cutouts and stick the details which are easily available at home. Okay, now the next activity we are going to do is some rhyme and rhythm for the child. Now let's introduce the next part, which is the rhyme and rhythm. You definitely have something like this at home if you have a child. If you do not have this, you can also use clapping, because when you use a rhythm, the child gets more into it, and he enjoys it more. And when child enjoys it, instead of just making him learn, the child will definitely remember it for a longer period of time. So let's do a rhyme that sounds something apple. So it is: two red apples on the tree, one for you and one for me. Two red apples on the tree, one for you and one for me. Pick one apple from the tree, one for you and one for me. So, this activity which you did with the child, you can always use it in the rhyme, or maybe you can use some other rhyme which you know relating to any alphabet, or something related to the story which you have just told the child. So this will be another activity, again using the sound apple and alphabet A. Now more things you can introduce. This is not just enough, and this has to go on for about a week or two, because in a day if you do all these things, the child won't be able to take it all. So the next thing is that we are going to do is, we have some clay here. Which we will be using for another activity for the child. I'll keep something on my bed so that it does not get soiled. These are magnetic alphabets A, which you can also use it as cutters. Okay, so you can just roll on to the clay and cut out the alphabet A. So the child can see how A looks like. So now we are gradually coming to the abstract part of the letter A. But first, again, as I told you, hands-on activity before coming to the concrete part and making a child write like the alphabet A. So we'll just roll on to the clay. Here it is, the cutout of the clay by using this magnetic thing. If you do not have this, that is also no problem. You can just give your child some clay and just play with him, because this is an easier method, because obviously the child does not know how to form an A, but he will definitely, with a little help, he will be able to make a cutout of it using a cutter. But the other way to do is just roll on to it. Children love doing this. Even when you are needing some dough at your house, the children do ask for it and they pay for it and make these rolls. So while playing with the dough also you can do this for your child. You can just add some food color to the dough and give it to your child, which is not harmful to them at all. And then just even. See, without the cutter also we can form an A. So that is how you can go with it. All the available things that you have at home. If you do not have clay, you can again use dough. And you can add food colors to it to make it more colorful, because that will excite the child more. So this is all for today. We will move on to the next alphabet. Also, how to introduce writing alphabet A will be coming up in my next video. Please like my video and do comment and share your views on the same. Thank you so much. Bye bye.